On a cold winter's day, Eva traveled to her grandfather's old house in the countryside to spend a few days in peaceful solitude. While cleaning one of the rooms, she stumbled upon a small wooden box. Carved on its surface, in the familiar handwriting of her late father, were the words, "To my beloved daughter Eva, forgive me before you continue reading." Inside the box was an old letter written by her father during his time in the military. The handwriting trembled, and each word was soaked in remorse. "My dearest Eva, I know I won't be here to explain everything to you, but the truth must be told. During the war, I made a grave and unforgivable mistake. I betrayed my loyal friend, Jack Wilson. We were on a mission, and when a poor decision led to failure, I placed the blame on him instead of owning up to it myself. I was weak and lacked the courage to admit the truth. Jack was discharged from service for negligence and lost his reputation. He never defended himself. He recognized my weakness and chose not to expose me. I have carried this guilt with me ever since, and I never had the strength to face him or make things right. If his family is still alive, please tell them the truth. Not for me, but for him." Eva sat for hours, clutching the letter as tears streamed down her face. Her father had always been her role model, a symbol of honesty and honor. Now she saw a man who had lived with a heavy burden, longing for redemption, even beyond death. Determined to fulfill his last wish, Eva began her search. She gathered every detail she could about Jack Wilson, and eventually discovered that his family lived in a distant coastal town. With her heart heavy with anxiety, she set off to deliver a truth buried for decades. There, she met Jack's daughter, Sophia Wilson, a gentle woman with quiet eyes that seemed to hold a world of memories. When Eva introduced herself, she spoke in a soft voice. "I am not here asking for forgiveness. I just wanted you to know the truth. My father wrote this letter before he passed away. He wanted to restore your father's honor, even if it's too late." Sophia read the letter in silence. When she finished, she looked up and said gently, "I know the story. My father told us everything, but he never resented your father. He used to say, sometimes war makes people weaker than they truly are. He forgave him a long time ago." Then, with warmth in her voice, she embraced Eva and said, "You have a brave heart. You didn't have to come, but you did. I believe your father has found peace now, and you deserve it too." Eva returned home with a lighter heart, full of hope and a deeper understanding that while truth cannot undo the past, it can begin to heal it. Later, Eva suggested to Sophia that they approach the military authorities together. They succeeded in proving Jack's innocence and officially restoring his honor after many years of injustice. In recognition of his sacrifice, the government granted Sophia a monthly pension, finally honoring the silent hero who had been wronged. Moral of the story: truth, even when it arrives late, holds the power to heal. Owning our mistakes doesn't make us weak. It gives broken hearts a chance to mend, turns hidden injustice into light, and restores honor to where it rightfully belongs.